That's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you're watching the Malak channel. And today, we're going to open up a pretty cool book. We've got Katsuya Terada 10. It is the 10-year retrospective of Katsuya Terada's work. And I really like the dust jacket. It's kind of got that soft laminate, kind of almost leathery, moleskiny feel. This one's still a little bit more papery than some of them. It doesn't feel too leathery, but it's kind of got this shiny black printed on it that forms kind of the dragon design. It's really cool. It's pretty cool how the book is like split up into sections. It starts with kind of the full colored work. Yeah, Terada is just a very versatile artist, able to do many different kinds of things, I feel like. I'm pretty sure Terada has worked a little bit in the gaming industry. I feel like I remember that. Now we're moving on to kind of the blue label section. We had some ink works. Yeah, awesome. Often a very aggressive style. A lot of this is making me think of Alex Cipriano and Fuel Stains. I'm sure they're aware of Terada. Pretty sure Katsuya is a Superani artist. I'm pretty sure he's a member of the Superani crew. I think that's probably where I got the book from, was through the US Superani website. But it might also be available on Amazon. I'll probably put a link in the description that you can check out if you want to get the book. Yeah, I just love those ink works. Pages are a little thin. It feels maybe a slight step above manga quality. I'm pretty sure Katsuya Terada is a manga artist. Has done some stuff with comics and such. Yeah, we're probably going to get to see some of that. They're in the green label section. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's maybe they're like periods, or maybe it's like genres. I don't know exactly how he split it up, especially because there's not really an English translation here. I'm pretty sure Terada also often works like huge, like really big. Like I'm pretty sure, if I'm thinking correctly, I'm pretty sure he's also released a book where like, so I don't know if it's on the same spread or maybe one spread and then the following spread, but one of them will like show the entire piece, and then the next one will basically be a to size section of the piece, and so you only get like a small section on that just to show how big that piece would be actually in real life, you know, in person. Looks like we're back in full color illustrations. It looks like James Marzano or Marzano. I can't remember how to say it. I mean, are these... Huh. Very interesting. I really wish I could read this. It's piqued my interest. Because that really looked like the way that that other artist does faces. We're in the purple section. Again, I do not know what that means, but I'm loving every page of it. Yeah, just really strong line work. And if you know me, you know that sketches, and line work, and ink work, some of my favorite stuff. I just eat it all up. But yeah, that's the, looks like he's got some interview quotes in here. Inside the dust jacket. You know what, it's got me kind of curious. What is the cover like without the dust jacket? Ooh. I'm glad I took this off. Let's get a look at that. I mean, I love the dust jacket, but this is also really cool. Yeah, I like that too. Damn. All right, well, yeah, that was Katsuya Terada's 10, his 10-year retrospective. Probably put some links you can follow in the description, you know, to support me and also to find the artist or the book. I hope you check those out. Hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe so we can continue to grow and keep checking out cool books and art. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you again. Take care. You're such a